Yeah. Mapthesoul.com, baby. MYK with yours truly, Tableau. We're taking it back, way back to the back of the bus, back of the classroom. Life is a mystery in all shapes, sizes, and angles. From crop circles to Bermuda triangles. The fate of the world is shaky like bike handles. In the final hour, even some demons die angels. What's true is true isn't what you think it is. When the real world is a bad dream like Incubus. Triple X, triple Z, it's the same damn thing. You get fucked if your eyes are closed when the alarm rings.
Sing, passing the mic back and forth and back. Broke MCs, choke MCs who can't afford to rap or choose to stay hungry. I'ma stay hungry, free fall, bounce back like it was a bungee. I snap back like a slingshot, bring hotness. Yes, no stress, cleaning up this mess. In this hip-hop nest, I found my niche, let that bitch breathe.
Remember rap when it used to be fun as hell. Remember rap like it was with Big Pun and Nell.
Remember rap when it used to be fun as hell. Remember rap like it was with Big Pun and L.
Remember rap when it used to be fun as hell. Remember rap like it was with Big Pun and Nell.
Remember rap when it used to be fun as hell. Remember rap like it was with Big Pun and L.
Who cares about east or west or the dirty south when you got no diamonds in your dirty mouth? It's a burning house, hip-hop going poof. No wonder everybody wants to raise the roof. I see proof every day that seeking heaven is bleak. I see proof every day like Eminem in his sleep. The devil is deep, water kid, and nobody is stopping ya. Slip a toe in you go like Slavia.
Silly rap sessions, thoughtless wordplay, hip-hop nerds stay poem sketching. A coloring book for the philosophers. I lost a verse and this is its half-assed rendition. I spit rhymes just to pass the time, and if life is just a brainstorm then I'm a mastermind. Always last in line cause I don't care enough, but when my turn comes best believe that I tear shit up.
That you tear shit up. Yeah. I tear shit up like a firecracker in poo.
Nah, dude. I don't think.
Like a firecracker in poo.
I don't know about that one.
I tear shit up like scissors. Yeah. Like scissors tearing shit up.
Yeah.
This is for your kids who don't wanna be a businessman, make money. This is for your kids who don't have a damn business plan. I don't have one. This is for your kids who don't wanna be a businessman or a doctor. This is for your kids who don't have a damn business plan. You got one? Yeah. Never get one. Got stressed out over the weekend. Damn, shit happened. And now I'm here to let it out.
Let me see two in the sky, guy. One for the live and stay fly high. One for the music and I. Two for the good life. Keep the champagne sitting in the freezer on a block of that cool ice. Stay nice, Eskimo cool flow. I say why you gotta be testing the dude, yo. Stop guessing at clues, you'll be destined to lose. Yeah, we fresh when we move and we bless in the booth.
Yeah, blessed in the booth, like a minister, using a payphone. Peace.
Why you gotta be testing the dude, yo? Stop.